Have you ever noticed how writers say too much, even though concise use of words is the most effective form of communication? It could be using too many words when only a handful is needed, or telling the reader instead of showing them, or explaining things that really need no explanation. Take a look at this sentence. He got up and opened the refrigerator, hoping to find something to satisfy his cravings. He was hungry. Yeah. When was the last time you did something like that, when you were full? Or what about this? His thoughts traveled back to when he was free. He remembered the first time he saw Margaret. So my question is, if his thoughts traveled back, then we can assume he was remembering, can't we? That's what our thoughts do when we're thinking of the past. Maybe it's better to simply say, his thoughts traveled back to the first time he saw Margaret. Or this one. His eyes shone defiantly. He refused to let his captors see the fear in them. In this case, is "in them" really necessary? What else would be shining defiantly? His nostrils? Or what about 2 hanging lanterns hanging from the ceiling were the only sources of light? Yeah, hanging lanterns generally do hang, it's true, and most often from the ceiling. Go figure. Or how about this one? The soldiers dragged the man in, burned and horribly disfigured. He was quite the mess. Gee, you think? So I would just encourage you to try to think of words as valuable commodities. Each and every time you use one, imagine having to pay $5 per word as a usage fee. Those charges can really add up in a hurry. With that in mind, ask yourself, is this word really necessary?